In this session, we will discuss about working of p-channel JFET. The working of p-channel JFET is same as working of n-channel JFET except change in polarities. So p-channel JFET consists of p-type bar, positive type bar. What is a bar? Bar is a rectangular piece of semiconductor. So this is a p-type bar. So it consists of three terminals. This is a source terminal, the terminal through which charge carriers enter the device, and this is a drain terminal, the terminal through which charge carriers leave the device, and the gate terminal which forms PN junction with the P channel. And this gate terminal, the voltage between gate terminal and source terminal is called as VGS, and VGS is always reverse bias whether N channel JFET or P channel JFET. This is a drain terminal and this is a source terminal. So voltage between drain and source is VDS. So VDS drain is always positive with respect to source. This is a schematic diagram of P channel JFET, and this is a circuit symbol of P channel JFET. The source terminal, opposite of source is drain terminal, and the terminal with an arrow is the gate terminal. So in N channel JFET, arrow is pointing inwards. In P channel JFET, this arrow is pointing outwards. Now we will see the different cases. Case 1, when VGS equal to 0 and VDS is applied. VGS is a voltage between gate and source, and this is always reverse bias whether N channel JFET or P channel JFET. But in this case we are taking VGS as 0, and voltage is applied between drain and source. This is a drain terminal and the source terminal. So voltage between drain and source is VDS. Drain is always positive with respect to source. So what happens? So two PN junctions are formed. So this is a P channel forming one PN junction with this N type and another PN junction with this N type. So two PN junctions are formed. For every PN junction, depletion layer is formed. So this is depletion layer 1 and this is depletion layer 2. PN junction, one PN junction, respective depletion layer, another PN junction, another depletion layer. There is a current conduction from source to drain. What is current conduction? Flow of current. It is indicated by this lines, black lines, dotted lines. This is the current ID, drain current ID. In N-channel JFET, current conduction or flow of current is due to electrons. In P-channel JFET, current conduction is due to holes. So as depletion layer increases, so channel width decreases. This is channel width. Channel width decreases. When channel width decreases, obviously the drain current flowing from source to drain also decreases. And when depletion layer decreases, channel width increases. When channel width increases, the flow of current from source to drain, that is drain current ID, also increases. When VGS is reverse bias, case 2, when VGS is reverse bias, we know that whether N channel JFET or P channel JFET, VGS is always reverse bias. VGS is the voltage between gate and source. This is a gate terminal and this is a source terminal. So positive terminal going to N type, negative terminal going to this P channel, P type. So this is reverse bias. So VGS is always reverse bias, whether N channel JFET or P channel JFET. So what happens when reverse bias voltage on VGS increases, depletion region also increases. When depletion region increases, channel width decreases. When channel width decreases, the flow of current from source to drain, that is drain current ID, also decreases. When reverse bias voltage on VGS decreases, depletion region also decreases. When depletion region decreases, channel width increases. When channel width increases, the drain current from source to drain increases. So lastly, I conclude that the working of P channel JFET and N channel JFET are same except change in polarities. in p channel is positive type, n channel is negative type, and n channel JFET is preferred over p channel JFETs, like NPN is preferred over PNP, because in n channel JFET majority charge carriers are electrons, in p channel JFET majority charge carriers are holes. Since electrons move faster than holes, n channel JFET is preferred over p channel JFET.